Friends, we are here Healthy Organic Farm. As morning I showed that coconut plantation going on. Now I want to show you that we having rose plant. See how the beautiful rose available here. So different color rose we planted more than 10-15 types. So red, yellow and white, as well as I can show you some different pink color also. So rose make the your farm more beautiful, and it will be like a different look it will give you. So must you plant rose in your farm, so the look will be totally different. Thank you. Jai.